The MT electrical control box is specifically designed for the feeding and unloading processes of punch presses. With simplicity and reliability at its core, the box features a clear and logical internal layout. It is equipped with only one stable CUST 300 series VFD as the core power unit and 5 large function buttons on the panel for intuitive start, stop, and speed control operations. The internal wiring is layered, ensuring separation of strong and weak currents and efficient heat dissipation. The internal wiring process is rigorous, with a fully automatic terminal machine ensuring that each connection is secure and reliable. Cables are identified with numbered tubes and color coding for quick identification and maintenance. The simplified wiring and standardized bundling make the inside of the box neat and orderly, simplifying and speeding up troubleshooting and significantly improving maintenance efficiency. Each electrical box undergoes rigorous load testing before leaving the factory, simulating actual punch press operating conditions to verify the inverter's response and smooth operation. The intuitive button design makes on-site debugging extremely convenient, enabling plug-and-play functionality and significantly reducing installation time. Stable CU Electric, with its independent research and development and extensive experience in the field of variable frequency drives, provides you with a highly adaptable, maintenance-free, one-stop electrical control solution, making automation simpler and more efficient.